Today we're going to talk about negative numbers. You can see that I have a number line below, and the number line has negative numbers. They're in red over here. This is negative, and over here are positive numbers. Positive numbers are to the right of 0, and negative numbers are to the left of 0. 0 is origin. So if we talk about, let's say, sea level is at 0, and sea level, if you say that you are above sea level, like a mountain is above sea level, that would be a positive number. If something's below sea level, like in the ocean or maybe a valley or something, that's a negative. So that goes down. Okay? When we talk about the number line, and I look at the number line, a number that is further to the right is going to be bigger than a number further to the left. So here's an example. If I have negative 8 and negative 2, here's negative 8, here's negative 2. Since 8 is to the left of negative 2, 8 is smaller than negative 2. Negative 2 is bigger. You could say negative 2 is to the right of negative 8, which means that negative 2 is bigger than negative 8. A couple more examples would be like negative, let's say 10. So I have negative 10. And I have negative 1. So negative 10 and negative 1. Negative 1 is going to be bigger. The reason why negative 1 is bigger is because it is to the right of negative 10. Negative 10 is to the left of negative 1, which means then it is smaller. So to the right is bigger. To the left is smaller. Now let's try another one. Let's say I have negative 3 and a positive 6. So I have negative 3 and positive 6. 6 is bigger than negative 3. The reason why, because 6 is further to the right. A couple more. Let's get rid of that. Let's try a negative 2 and a 1. Now you would think that negative 2 might be bigger, but it's not because it's to the left of 1. So 1 would be bigger than negative 2. A different one might be, let's say, 2 and negative 6. Let's start with 2 on this side, though, and negative 6 over here. If I would do that, it really doesn't matter. You just need to make sure that inequality is pointing to the opening up to the correct one, the bigger one. So 2 is bigger than negative 6. Oops. 2 is bigger than negative. 2 is bigger than negative 6 because 2 is to the right of negative 6.